How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create foods in the game and control the snake to eat that and get bigger. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna create my food sprite. Double click here, sprite, and I'm gonna load it from my assets folder. This is the best try I've ever had for the designing of the food. So let's get back here and make this object a little bit, let's make it 50 by 50, a little object of food. I'm gonna call this food. Okay, so now let's go in game sheet and create a new group called creating foods, or food, doesn't matter, and hit B button. And I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna delete this first object. So let's go in here on start of layout and food destroy. Okay, here hit B button and hit F for creating food, create food function, and let's pick a random spot in the game that is not overlapping snake. So double click here, spot is overlapping a snake, and I'm gonna hit I for make it inverse, and let's copy and paste this event, and I'm gonna pick a random spot, pick random instance of spot here that is not overlapping snake, and here I want to create that food. So system create object food on layer game and on position of spot. Very good. Then we need to say when a snake's head hit that food, we need to create another food, and of course delete that heated food. So hit B button here and double click snake, compare n equal to 1, that means the head. When the head is overlapping or on collision with object food, then food needs to be destroyed, and here we want to create another food. So add action function and create food, and of course we need to create the first food after deleting this one. This one is out of the screen. So let's go here and copy and paste this event here, and I'm gonna hit run. Okay, let's go. This is the first food, and okay, now we need to make the snake bigger when it eats the food. So here we want to create another function. So hit B button, hit F button, create a new body, or create a new snake. So here we want to create food, and of course we need to call the function create a new body. Okay, so here we need to pick the last object of a snake to create a new object of a snake on that position. So let's go and snake here and pick highest end, that means the last snake object, and here we want to create the snake object. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, and let's change these by hitting R for replacing with F snake. Okay, and it's going to be on position of a snake. snake.x and a snake.y. Okay, so let's run the game and see it's working or not. Alright, so let's go here, and as you can see, it's working very well. It's get bigger and bigger. So thanks for watching. In the next video I'm going to show you how to create the score system and show the foods score in the game.